I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data. Copy your Genshin save and config folders to a safe location. Once done, exit the launcher and stop any overlays or updaters so files aren't locked. Make sure you know the exact install path and current total size. This tells you where space is being used. Then, check which language packs and optional packages are installed, because those are often large and removable. This establishes a safe baseline and prevents accidental data loss. You now remove the heavy assets. First, run the launcher's repair or verify tool to clear corrupted temporary files and to identify missing items. After that, within the game folders, delete unused voice and language packs you don't need. Voice packs are often multiple gigabytes. If space is still tight, move cache folders or the entire game to a faster or bigger drive. Use the launcher move feature or create a symbolic link to keep paths intact. This reduces storage without breaking the install. Finish by running the launcher repair once more to rebuild any missing manifests and to confirm the game runs from its new location. If everything loads, you can delete the backup after a few successful launches. If you see crashes, missing files, or stuttering, try running the launcher as administrator, check disk health for bad sectors, and clear DNS or network cache. If problems persist, reinstall the game, but install only the essential language or voice packs to minimize space usage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.